Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Very nice.
Very nice.
You look more handsome.
Indonesian.
You can do it. You can test it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Asyhadu
Asyhadu
alla ilaha
ila
illallah.
illallah.
Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Very nice.
Very nice.
You look more handsome.
Indonesian.
You can do it. You can test it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. 약간 학사모 같은 느낌인데? My graduation today.
Opa. So today we will eat ketupat. Ketupat is very famous in Indonesia when we are Ramadan, hari besar Idul Fitri, we eat ketupat. It's just like hari kemenangan, we call it. What we in English we call it, apa ya kita ngomongnya hari kemenangan? Lebaran. Is it? We call it Lebaran. Okay, just taste it. Is it the first time?
Yeah, my first time.
Your first time. Okay, very nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is ketupat,
Ketupat.
and this is opor ayam. This is kari ayam. This is rendang.
Rendang.
This is apa ini? Krecek. Okay, this is ketupat like this and.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, taste it.
Thank you.
Okay.
감사합니다.
Want it?
Together.
Okay.
Wow. So like, wow.
Is this first time?
This first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You may. What did you like?
Chicken. Yeah. Okay.
Which one?
I want this. Wow. Thank you.
Lama-lama gue suapin dia.
Okay.
Okay. Because rendang.
Rendang.
This is rendang is beef.
Beef. Oh, chicken and beef. Oh.
Beef. Okay. And then how about this? Is apa ini ngomongnya? Mustafa. Hah?
Mustafa.
Oh yeah?
What is this?
Oh yeah? Okay, you can edit by yourself if you like it.
Oh, what is it?
And this one is krecek.
Right.
Krecek.
It's tofu?
Yes, tofu and I don't
okay.
know, but this is halal.
Okay, halal.
It's halal.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is your recipe.
Yeah.
This is spicy? Oh.
Okay. And what is this? Is this?
Sambal.
Oh, sambal.
Sambal.
Okay.
You like sambal?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
How about we pray it first? We pray first.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Pray for God.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's taste it.
Thank you.
First taste from Dr. Chun. Ketupat.
Ketupat. Really? It is soup. Okay.
You like it?
It's really nice.
Really nice?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's more nice when you say when you taste it. You say it first. Bismillah. Try it. Bismillah. Try it. Say Bismillah first. And,
Bismillah.
Once again.
Bismillah.
Okay. Very nice.
Much more nice.
But most
wow, it's magic.
Asyhadu.
Asyhadu. Magician. Wow, it's really.
Okay,
wow,
how about
wow.
the ketupat? The ketupat.
Yeah, like ketupat. This is rice cake. Right? Like a potato and the 한국으로 치면 어묵. How to say? Fish cake. Yeah. Yeah, potato fish cake.
Okay. You enjoy the taste?
Yeah.
Okay, finish it.
Okay.
Sorry yang lain ya.
맛있어. 맛있다.
Wah, masito. What is masito? Enak. Okay.
에나. 에나.
Enak loh. How about the Mustafa? You like it?
Mustafa. This one?
No.
Only Mustafa. I like this one. I like cookie.
This is a potato.
Potato.
Really, enak banget loh. Enak banget.
This is so cute. In Korea, not like this size only, right? So cute.
It's very delicious.
Yeah. You like spicy food? You're Korean.
You like it? Not really.
I not really because kimchi I like, but sometimes I feel like it's spicy, so I feel like I'm not Korean.
You must try rendang.
Pomdam.
Rendang like this beef.
Oh, this beef? Okay.
Ini makanan nomor
juga
satu
bikin.
paling enak di dunia. The most favorite delicious food in
the world?
world.
Oh, not nasi goreng?
The second one is nasi goreng.
Ah,
The first one is nasi rendang.
nasi
Rendang.
kandang. This one. I can feel the mother. Mother made this for me. 엄마가 해준 맛. 진짜 맛있어요. 진짜 맛있어.
Actually, you look more handsome with this shirt and with this kopi.
Really? Is it good? Nice dress? Okay.
I think dia tinggal login aja nih kayaknya. Kayaknya gue suruh dia ikutin deh.
Not yet, but I'm trying to. Not yet.
What is your religion?
Religion. Actually, when I was young, I go to church. But when I was near the adult, I go to Buddha. And now, I don't go any religion. Believe me.
You have no God.
Yeah. You know, it's when I was in army, I changed my religion because of the Buddha. They didn't give me chicken. Sorry, Buddha. But I really wanted the chicken taste because only waiting for the weekend, once in a month.
So,
For the chicken, I changed to church. Sorry.
so the religion depends on the benefit.
Yes.
Which religion have a more benefit in Korea?
In Korea? It depends. It depends. But in my country, my family likes the Buddhism because in the church, in Korea church, they have to a little bit more feel mandatory to go to church. But
Okay.
in the Buddhism, in the home, they can meditation and something.
But the most favorite religion in Korea, I heard that is atheist. Is it right? No God.
Maybe Christian Buddhism have it. I don't know exactly.
But is it religion is a important issue in Korea?
In Korea, the religion is not very important issue.
You know, in Indonesia, it's a little bit important issue.
I think it's not a little, but very important, right?
You can add it.
Yeah.
Oh, kerupuk! I have forgot about the kerupuk.
What is it?
There is no kerupuk in Korea, you know.
약간 뻥튀기?
Yeah.
약간 뻥튀기 같은.
We call it cracker.
피쉬. 아.
Is it shrimp?
shrimp. 새우칩, 새우깡이네. 여러분 인도네시아 새우칩 이렇게 생겼어요. 인도네시아 스타일.
You like it?
Yeah. So today you fasting today?
Yeah.
Very hungry maybe.
Have you fasting?
Yeah, sometimes once in a week I fast. Intermittent fasting is very good for health. So and also BTS. BTS before the shooting 2 days ago they fast
Oh yeah.
for good anti-inflammatory and more handsome they do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the
Oh.
secret.
You know Sintayong?
Sintayong? What is Sintayong?
Sintayong is
아,
축구 감독, 인도네시아 축구 감독이었어. 대표팀.
아,
is it famous in Korea?
not very famous, but I heard about him.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's very famous in Indonesia.
Oh. Is soccer famous in Indonesia?
Yeah. In Korea too, I think.
Yeah, very famous.
Park Ji-sung,
Park Ji-sung. Oh, you know him.
Park Ju-young.
Park Ju-young. You know Park Ju-young? We are in the same elementary school.
Oh yeah.
Park Ju-young. Yeah, 1 year. Oh, it's a secret. My age is secret. Yeah. Yeah. You do exercise? The soccer or
Sometimes.
sometimes?
I think you like sport.
I love sport. No.
You like go to gym.
Gym, swimming, every kind of sport I like.
Finish.
Why don't you try this rice?
Yeah.
Me and
We try it like this.
together.
Yeah. It's just like a souvenir.
Okay. 라마단 1년에 한 번, once in a year is a Ramadan only? For how many days?
Ramadan is like Imlek in China is a little bit long for holidays.
For holidays?
Maybe about
1 week?
1 week.
Oh.
We have a fasting for 1 month, and after that, we have a holiday, very big holiday, and we back to our homeland to see our mom or dad or our family.
Like
There's a tradition like that in Korea.
Korea, Chuseok, 설날, two big holidays about continuous 3 or 4 days.
But do you know about Islam or Muslim?
Yeah, I heard, but I have many friends like from the Muslim.
Okay.
Yeah, but other countries.
Other country you have, but you never learn it.
Yeah,
I can teach you.
오케이. 전도당했어 지금. 나 그럼 먹을 때 이렇게 once in a year.
It's okay. I go to Atlas too.
Okay.
You like Atlas?
Atlas? Atlas.
Atlas is a beach club.
Yeah, yesterday I went.
I see your story yesterday. You go to Atlas. Is it right? You go to Atlas and you go to CC.
Yeah, yesterday night.
Okay. You just told me that you go to Atlas.
Was my first time. Yesterday, my room was just nearby the fin, so I just walk to Atlas because I heard Atlas is the biggest club in the Dari.
in Asia.
In Asia.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I thought, wow, it's so big.
You like Atlas?
Yeah, and the sound was very nice, and the DJ was very nice. I tag him.
Okay.
Yeah, and after that, 안다고요? 어? kidding.
because you're my friend.
Really?
So you have free entry for your whole life. Deal?
Okay. Okay.
Free entry, free meal, free drink, free flow.
Record this one. Okay.
For Dr. Chun for whole life.
Whole life. Thank you.
Tapi pakai ini. Baru buka puasa. But nggak semuanya alkohol di Atlas. Saya itu kita nonton show atau apa ya. Beda ya. Gitu kan, it's okay. Di Atlas tuh kan nggak selalu ini. You like Atlas dan Vince? Which one you like? I'm the owner.
Okay.
Just say you like Atlas.
Yeah, the owner.
I give him pressure.
Vince at the beach club. Last time I went, it was a nice vibe at the beach vibe, but I just went to the Atlas, the super club. Atlas at the beach club. And
Only
the
a super club.
Yeah, super club. In the daytime, I just dropped by the Atlas. It's a more bigger.
Okay.
Yeah, club is super club is much better. And in the daytime, Almost same I feel because the feelings you are.
Okay, it's okay.
So what? So
But no, I think
I love the Atlas.
Okay, but no, I
in
think
Asia.
you must love Atlas because you have free entry, free flow.
Yeah, that's why I upload by your YouTube on the Atlas, the best club in Asia. One. Atlas. Yeah. Finn sometimes goes up by there just for feel vibe and come back to Atlas. Okay, come back to home. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Chun. How about the taste of the food?
It was really nice because I want to feel when it looks like my mother made it.
Oh.
So feel like yeah.
It's
So,
very traditional, homemade. 1 to 10, how much?
Okay, 9.5. Because 0.5 is a little spicy to me. Sorry, I'm not Korean. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.